How to view hidden information Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to show you how you can easily view hidden information Facebook Marketplace. First, open any web browser and go to the Facebook website. Sign in to your account, and once you're logged in, look at the left side of your screen. You should find an option for the marketplace. If you don't see it right away, click on See More to reveal additional options, and you should find Marketplace there. Click on it. Next, select the item you want to view. For example, if you're interested in a car listing, click on it to open the details. To view any hidden information, you will need to make a small change to the web address in your browser. At the top of the screen, click on the address bar where it says facebook.com. Replace the www with M by highlighting it and typing M instead. Then press Enter. Once you do this, the page will reload, and you'll be able to see all the hidden details for the item you're viewing in the marketplace.